chains remain. Fire in my soul, it churns its song. Ethereal whispers all day long. I haunt the stars that streak the sky. Hold my wishes, let them fly. I am wild, I am the breeze, dancing soft through ancient trees. In the rain where dreams expand, shooting stars rest in my hand. Night paints shadows on my home. Through enchanted paths I roam. Each whisper here, each deep affray, an echo of magic's yesterday.